Hi, I'm attorney Richard Symmes, talking to you today about 3 tips on how to immediately stop a foreclosure sale in Washington state. Fortunately, there are options available in order to keep your home or slow down the foreclosure process in Washington state, but you have to act fast. The first option, and the preferred option for many homeowners, is to stop the foreclosure sale by requesting Foreclosure Fairness Act mediation through the Washington State Department of Commerce. This particular type of mediation, however, can only be requested by an attorney or a housing counselor who you may choose to represent you in negotiations with your bank and in preparing the required paperwork that needs to be submitted to your bank in order to obtain a loan modification. Applying for the foreclosure fairness mediation stops the foreclosure sale immediately. Tip number 2 is filing either a Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 bankruptcy. This will also stop your foreclosure sale immediately, even if you wait until the day before the sale is going to take place. The difference between filing a Chapter 7 bankruptcy and a Chapter 13 bankruptcy is that a Chapter 7 bankruptcy will allow the debtors to discharge unsecured debts like credit cards or medical bills if you qualify. However, it would not resolve any issues with discharging a mortgage debt on a home you want to keep, and the process is usually completed within about 90 days. A Chapter 13 bankruptcy, on the other hand, allows debtors to make up arrears on a mortgage over the course of 5 years, which is 60 months, while also potentially being able to discharge unsecured debts. Tip number 3 is you could file a lawsuit against your bank in order to stop postpone the foreclosure sale. But this should always be your last resort, as it can be very time-consuming, expensive, and stressful, and is not something that can usually be used to stop a foreclosure sale immediately. This is something you would have to plan for. Another option to stop the foreclosure sale immediately is to simply pick up the phone and see if your bank will work with you directly to stop your sale and allow you to apply for a loan modification. Some banks will postpone your sale immediately if you apply for a loan modification and get the proper paperwork submitted. So I hope these tips were useful in stopping your foreclosure sale immediately.